Hi guys, welcome back. Apple has made the sixth developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 available for testing, arriving just 1 week after the release of Beta 5. Registered developers can install the latest updates through the Software Update section in the Settings app once enrolled in Apple's developer program. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 showcase Apple's striking new liquid glass design language, emphasizing translucency, soft gradients, and glass-like interface elements. This aesthetic extends across the lock screen, home screen, control center, and system menus, bringing a cohesive and modern look to the operating systems. Buttons and app interfaces have also been updated to complement the design. In addition to the visual refresh, the updates include enhancements for key apps such as Messages, Phone, Shortcuts, and Apple Music. They also integrate new Apple Intelligence features, offering smarter, AI-driven capabilities throughout the system. CarPlay receives a significant redesign with improved navigation and personalization tools. And for iPad users, iPadOS 26 introduces an all-new multitasking system that supports multiple app windows, delivering a more Mac-like workflow. Together, these updates represent a major step toward a unified, intelligent, and visually polished Apple ecosystem ahead of the public release this fall.